Choose the correct option and justify. First question. 9 secant square A minus 9 tan square A is equal to dash. Option is given as A 1, B is 9, C is 8, D is 0. So first we will try to solve this. 9 secant square A minus 9 tan square A. Here you can notice 9 is common. Okay. So open the bracket. So what I will get? Secant square A minus tan square A. Now use your identity knowledge. What is that? We know that secant square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. Secant square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. So what I will do? 9 into secant square A minus tan square A. Definitely I can write it as 1. 9 ones are 9. So which option? Option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. The next is 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta is equal to dash. Option A is 0, option B is 1, option C is 2, option D is minus 1. So 1 you write as it is plus. Tan can be replaced as sin theta by cos theta plus secant can be written as 1 by cos theta. The reciprocal of secant is 1 by cos theta. Close the bracket. Again open the bracket. 1 you write as it is. In place of cot replace it as cos theta by sin theta minus cosec theta can be replaced as 1 by sin theta. Reciprocal ratio. Close the bracket. Now take the LCM. Cos theta will become the LCM. Because the denominators are same, the sin theta plus 1 will remain as it is in the numerator. Because you don't have anything here denominator, so LCM, that means cross multiply. So 1 into cos theta will become cos theta. So in the numerator you will get cos theta plus sin theta plus 1. Same, sin theta. So LCM will become sin theta. In the numerator, this cos theta minus 1 will remain as it is. Only this will be replaced with sin theta. So in the numerator you will get sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Now after this you notice I am grouping cos theta plus sin theta. I am grouping cos theta plus sin theta. Of course sin theta plus cos theta is same as cos theta plus sin theta. So these two are same. I am putting it under one bracket. So this will become A, this will become B. A plus B into A minus B. I can write it as A square minus B square. A square means cos theta plus sin theta the whole square minus 1 square. In the denominator cos theta into sin theta multiplication. Now in place of cos theta plus sin theta whole square I can use A square plus B square plus 2AB formula. So cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 into cos theta into sin theta, this minus 1 you write as it is. Now in the denominator nothing will change. Cos theta into sin theta will be written as it is. Now we know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is nothing but 1. So in place of cos square theta plus sin square theta I will write 1 plus 2 into this cos theta into sin theta you write as it is minus 1 divided by right denominator as it is cos theta into sin theta. Now you can notice plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. Now here 2 into cos theta into sin theta by cos theta into sin theta. Cos theta will cancel. Sin theta will cancel. What is remaining? 2 is remaining as the answer. Therefore, option C, 2 is the answer for this particular question. Third question. Secant A plus tan A into 1 minus sin A is equal to dash. 4 options are given. A, secant A, B, sin A, C, cosecant A, D, cos A. Let us calculate and find the answer. So secant A plus tan A into 1 minus sin A, write as it is. Now use reciprocal ratios. Secant A, I can replace it as 1 by cos A. Tan A, I can write it as sin A by cos A. Close the bracket. Because this is in sin, don't change, write as it is. 1 minus sin A. Close the bracket. Now take the LCM. Cos A will become the LCM. So the numerator will be same. 1 plus sin A. When the denominators are same, write the same denominator. and add the numerator. So I wrote cos A as it is, 1 plus sin A I have added. Now what do you have here? 1 minus sin A. If you notice in the numerator, 1 plus sin A, 1 minus sin A is in the form of A plus B into A minus B. Definitely I can write it as A square minus B square. So what I can write? 1 square minus sin square A by what I can write in the denominator? Cos A. Okay. So now in place of sin square A, I can definitely introduce a identity. You can notice here sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. So 1 minus cos square A, close the bracket, by cos A. Now 1, open the bracket, minus 1, minus into minus, plus cos square A by cos A. Plus 1 minus 1 will cancel. So what is remaining? Cos square A can also be written as cos A into cos A by cos A. So cos A is cancelled. So what is remaining? Cos A is remaining. So which is the option? D is the option. So option D is correct answer. Option D is cos A. This is the correct answer. The next sum, 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A is equal to dash. 4 options. Option A secant square A, option B sin A, option C cot square A, option D tan square A. 1 plus, in place of tan square A, definitely I can write it as sin square A by cos square A. In the denominator, 1 plus, in place of cot square A, definitely I can write cos square A by sin square A. Now we will take the LCM in both numerator and denominator. In numerator, cos square A. Cross multiply. 1 into cos square A gives you cos square A plus denominator and LCM both same, so sin square A will remain as it is. Same procedure I am adopting in the denominator. Sin square A will become the LCM. LCM and denominator is same, so this cos square A will remain as it is. So here you have to cross multiply. 1 into sin square A is sin square A. Now we know that cos square A plus sin square A or sin square A plus cos square A is nothing but 1 according to identity. So I will get here 1 by cos square A. In the denominator, 1 by sin square A. Take the reciprocal. When you take the reciprocal, 1 by cos square A into, when the denominator is going to numerator, reciprocal, sin square A by 1. So sin square A into 1 is sin square A by cos square A into 1 is cos square A. So sin square A by cos square A is nothing but tan square A. So we came to know option D, tan square A, is the correct answer.